Good morning students. In the previous session we have started lesson number 5, operations on rational numbers. In that lesson we have studied definition for natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and then rational numbers. Now once again we will revise the definition for rational numbers and then we will start with practice set 22. So what are rational numbers? All the integers can be written in the form m upon n. If m is any integer, means m should be any integer, it should be positive number, negative number or 0. And n is any non-zero integer, means n should be positive number or negative number, but it should not be 0. Then the number m upon n is called a rational number. Then the number m upon n is called a rational number. Rational number which we are writing in the form m upon n, where m is any integer and n is any non-zero integer. Okay, so that is called as rational numbers. Now we'll start with practice set 22. Okay, so this is practice set 22, question number 1. Carry out the following additions of rational numbers. You will do the addition of rational number. Now here the rational number is given, that is 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42, first sum. Now we'll carry out the addition of this rational number. But as you can see here in the question, the denominators are not same, denominators are different. First number, that is 5 upon 36. What is there in the numerator? 5. What is there in the denominator? 36, right? Plus 6 upon 42. What is there in the numerator? 6. What is there in the denominator? 42. So here it is 36, here it is 42. Denominators are different. So first we will make the denominators equal. Yes, then only we can do the addition of rational numbers. The first step is you will make the denominators equal, then only you can do the addition. So there are two methods to make the denominators equal. First one, you will find out LCM. Yes, then with the help of LCM you can make the denominators equal. And the second method is you will do the cross multiplication. Okay, you know the cross multiplication method. Yes, what is the cross multiplication? First number you will multiply it by second number's denominator, and second number you will multiply with first number's denominator. Then only you can make the denominators equal. But here in this sum, the denominators which are given, that are big numbers. So better you will not do cross multiplication, you will do LCM method. Okay, if you want to do cross multiplication, still you will get the correct answer. But as the numbers are bigger, 36 and 42, so I am doing this sum with LCM method. Okay, now let's start. Yes, as you can see here, this is first sum. Now what is the question? 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. So you will make the denominators equal, then only you can do the addition. Yes, so first we will find LCM of 36 and 42. You will find out LCM of 36 and 42 denominators. Okay, so this is the method to find out LCM. I think you have studied in last year. Okay, 6th standard you have studied this method, LCM, least common multiple. So first we will write down 36 and 42, correct? Yes, as we have to find out LCM of 36 and 42, you will write down 36 and 42. Then 36 and 42, both the numbers are divisible by which number? 2. So here you will write down 2. As you can see here, this is 2 here. So you will write down 2 here. 36 divided by 2. Yes, that is 18. So here you will write down 18. Next number 42. 42 divided by 2 is correct, 21. So here you will write down 21. So as you will divide 36 by 2, you got here, that is 18. And 42 divided by 2 is 21. Yes, I hope you are clear till here. You will find out LCM of 36 and 42. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. So you will take 2 here. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So here below 36 you will write down 18. 42 divided by 2 is 21. So below 42 you will write down 21. Now 18 and 21 we got. 18 and 21 both the numbers are divisible by which number? Right, 3. So in the next step below 2 you will write down 3 here, because 18 and 21 both the numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, so 18 divided by 3, answer is 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So below 18 you will write down 6. Then 21 divided by 3, that is 7. So below 21 you will write down 7. So now 6 and 7 both the numbers are divisible by any single number? No. So you will stop till here. Okay, 6 and 7 both the numbers are not divisible by single number. So this is the last step. You will stop till here. Here it is 6, here it is 7. Now you will find out LCM. What is the next step to find out LCM? The factors which you got here in this method, that is 2, 3, 6 and 7. You will multiply all these factors. Okay, then only you will get LCM, that is least common multiple. So as you can see here in this step, I written 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. From where I took this? From this LCM method. So which are the factors? 2 into 3 into 6 into 7, right? So 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. Do the multiplication in your rough notebook. 2 into 3 into 6 into 7 is equal to 252. Yes, you will do the multiplication properly and then you will write down answer. So the answer is 252. When we are multiplying all these factors, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 7, you will get 252. I hope you are clear till here. Once again we will see these steps. Okay, so as in the question it is given 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. Denominators are not same. What is the denominator for the first number? 36. What is the denominator for the second number? 42. So to do addition, first we will make the denominators equal. Yes, I had told there are two methods, cross multiplication or to find out LCM. Yes, so as here we can see the numbers are bigger, so better you will do by LCM method. If we are doing cross multiplication, still it is correct. So first we will find LCM of 36 and 42. Okay, so we'll find out LCM of 36 and 42. This is the method to find out LCM. We have studied in last year. So first you will write down you will draw this column like this. Then you will write down 36 first, then 42. Now see, 36 and 42 both the numbers are divisible by any single number. Yes, both the numbers are divisible by which number? 2, right. So here we will write down 2 because 36 and 42 both the numbers are divisible by 2. So here I have written 2. Now 36 divided by 2. What we will get answer? That is 18. So here below 36 you will write down 18. Why I have written here 18? 36 divided by 2 is 18. Now here I have written 21. Why I have written here 21? Because 42 divided by 2 is 21. So here I have written 21. Now here we got 18 and here it is 21. Now 18 and 21 both the numbers are divisible by which number? Yes, both the numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, so 18 divided by 3 is 6 and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So here now we got 6 and 7. Now they are not further divided by a single number, so we will stop till here. Okay, 6 and 7 both the numbers are there in any single table or any single number. Yes, both the numbers are not divisible by any single number. So we will stop till here, and now to find out LCM we will multiply all the factors. Okay, so which are the factors here? That is 2, 3, 6 and 7. So multiply all the factors. So 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. So 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 6 multiply by 7. We will do this multiplication. Then we will get the answer, that is 252. So after this, now we got the LCM of 36 and 42, that is 252. So what is the next step now? As we got the LCM 252, you will find out, you will make the table for 36. Okay, 36 multiply by 1, 36 multiply by 2, 36 multiply by 3, 36 multiply by 4, 36 multiply by 5, 36 multiply by 6, 36 multiply by 7, till you will get 252, right? And then you will make the table for 42 till you will get 252. I hope you understood this. As the LCM of 36 and 42 is 252, you will make the table for 36 and 42 till you will get 252. Now we'll see the next step. Okay, so as you can see here in the next step, what is the LCM of 36 and 42? That is 252. So just now I told you will make the table for 36 and 42, till then you will get the number 252. And how you will make the table? 36 multiplied by 1 is equal to 36 multiplied by 2, 36 multiplied by 3, 36 multiplied by 4, or see, from these only you can find out 6 and 7. We got the factors 6 and 7. So 36 multiplied by 6 you do, 36 multiplied by 7 you do. 36 multiplied by 7 you will get 252. So now we got the number 36 multiplied by which number you will get 252? 36 multiplied by 7. Now 42. 42 multiplied by 6. What is the answer? Correct, 252. So now as 36 multiplied by 7 252 and 42 multiplied by 6 is 252. So numerator and denominator, both the numbers you will multiply by that number. Okay, so as you are multiplying here 7, numerator also you will multiply it with 7. Here you are multiplying it with 6, numerator also you will multiply it with 6. Yes, why we are taking here 6 and why we are taking here 7? Why we are taking here 6 and why we are writing here 7? Because 36 multiplied by 7 is 252. As the LCM is 252, in the denominator we want the number that is 252. So here we are multiplying by 7, so we will get 252 in the denominator, and 42 multiplied by 6 we are doing, so that we will get 252 in the denominator. I hope you are clear till here. And whatever number you are multiplying in the denominator, same number you will multiply in the numerator. Okay, so in this step we have multiplied first number by 7. So in the numerator, in the denominator, both the places you will multiply it by 7. And this is the question only. 5 upon 36 is the question which is given. And 6 upon 42 also it is given in the question. So both the numbers you will multiply by the same numbers. Okay. As you can see here, in the first number we have multiplied by 7. And in the second number we have multiplied with by 6. Okay. So in the next step we will do the multiplication. Okay, 5 multiplied by 7. 5 sevens are 35. So I have written here 35. 36 multiplied by 7. Yes, 252, that is correct. 36 multiplied by 7 is 252. Now 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6 are 36. So here it will 36. 42 multiplied by 6 is 252. Now as you can see here, now in this step we got the denominators are equal. Yes, what is the denominator for this number? 252. What is the denominator here? 252. Now the denominators are same, so we can carry out addition of these rational numbers. Yes, how you will carry out addition of this rational number? 35 upon 252 plus 36 upon 252. As the denominators are equal, we will write down denominator only once. So here, see, in the next step we will write down denominator only one time, that is 252 as it is. What is there in the numerator? 35 and 36. So do the addition of 35 and 36. See here this step. See in this step, 35 plus 36, numerator plus numerator and denominator we are written only once. If the denominators are same, no need to write it twice. You will write down only once while doing addition. Okay. So I have written here in the denominator 252. In the numerator 35 plus 36. As here 35, here it is 36. So 35 plus 36 and down 252 as it is. Okay, now do the do the addition. 35 plus 36, that is 35 plus 36 is 71, right? So 71 upon 252 in the denominator as it is. Okay, so what is the answer now? 71 upon 252. I hope you are clear with the first sum. Okay, once again we will just quickly revise this sum. Okay, so this is the number is given 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. You will do the addition of these rational numbers. So to carry out addition of rational numbers, first we will make the denominators equal. Then only you can do addition or subtraction also. For subtraction also same method. You will first make the denominators equal, right? Now denominators are not equal. In the first number denominator is 36 and in the second number denominator is 42. So first we will make the denominators equal by find out by cross multiplication and by LCM method. So now here I am doing LCM method, okay, and cross multiplication method also I will show you. So whatever it is comfortable for you, if you feel that cross multiplication method is easy, you will do cross multiplication. If you feel that LCM method is easy for you, you will do with LCM method. You will get the same answer. The answer is same for both the methods, okay. So now first we will find out LCM of 36 and 42. Okay, so this is the method to find out LCM. First we'll write down 36, we'll write down 42. First we'll draw these columns and write down 36 and 42. Now 36 and 42 both the numbers are divisible by 2. So I have written here 2 this side. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So below 36 18 will come. 42 divided by 2 is 21. So here below 42 will write down 21. Now we got 18 and 21. 18 and 21 both the numbers are divisible by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6 and 21 divided by 3 is 7. So here we got 6 and 7. Now they are not further divisible by a single number. So we will stop till here till 6 and 7. Okay. Now as we got the factors 2, 3, 6 and 7. So what is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. So this step also important. Directly you will not do multiplication and write the answer. You will show this method. Okay. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 6 into 7. So 2 into 3 into 6 into 7 is equal to 252. Yes. Do this multiplication in your rough notebook. So 2 into 3 into 6 into 7 is equal to 252. So what is the LCM of 36 and 42? That is 252. Okay. Now we got the LCM of 36 and 42. So now what is the next step? As you will get the LCM, you will see to it that these numbers, the denominators which are given there, see. So in the denominators we want the number 252, right? So what is there in the denominator in the first number 36? What is there in the denominator in the second number 42? So 36 multiplied by 7 you will get 252. Now I know you will have a doubt. How will come to know which number we have to multiply by 7 so that we will get 252, right? How will come to know whether we will take here 7 or will take another number? So for this, the factors which you are getting here, that is 6 into 7 you got. Okay. So first you multiply 36 by 6 and then 36 by 7. Obviously you will get 252 when you are multiplying it by 7. So as you are multiplying 36 by 7, you will get 252. The same number you will multiply in the numerator also. Okay, I hope you are clear till here. So first number 5 upon 36 you will multiply it by 7, right, in the numerator and in the denominator. Now for the second number, yes, what is the second number? 6 upon 42, right? So 6 upon 42 is the second number. Which number you will multiply by 42? You will get 252. You will see that numbers in the 252, the LCM should be there in the denominator. So first we will check for denominator only. Don't see here in the numerator which number we have to multiply. whatever number we are taking in the denominator for multiplication, same number you will multiply it in the numerator also. So 42 multiply by which number you will get? 252. 42 multiply by 6, right? So here also in the numerator also we will multiply 6. Okay. Now after this, after multiplication, the next step is do the multiplication. So 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So I have written here 35. 36 into 7, that you know, 252. Yes. So here it is 252. Now 6 6 are 36. So 36 upon 252. Now we got the denominators are equal. As the denominators are equal, we can carry out addition. Okay. As the denominators are equal, you will write down denominator only once, as you can see here in this step. In this step, I have written denominator only once. Why we are not written twice? Because as the denominators are same, no need to write it 2 times. Only once you will write down the denominators. Only you will do the addition of the numerators. So what is there in the numerator? 35. What is there in the numerator here? 36. So 35 plus 36 upon 252. Now do the addition. 35 plus 36 is 71, and in the denominator 252 as it is. So what is the answer? The answer is 71 upon 252. I hope you are clear with this sum. You will practice this sum at home. Okay. So we'll stop till here. Now one more method is there, that is cross multiplication, that I will show in the next session. Okay. Till then you will practice this sum. Okay. Thank you so much.